They have just found poop on Mars, and it is potentially a sign of life. Sort of. The Perseverance rover has just found this pattern that they've named leopard spots. Now these leopard spots contain two minerals called vivianite and greigite, and these two minerals are found on Earth when microbes basically eat and process organic matter and then essentially poop them out. So this poop, this excrement, is a sign that there potentially was organic life on Mars. And this is by far the best evidence that there was life on Mars possibly billions of years ago. Unfortunately, it isn't complete proof because there are two other ways that these minerals could form. One of them is high temperature environments and one of them is very acidic environments. But if you look at the rock as a whole, they don't quite fully explain the situation, and so this organic life theory is the best theory as to why they are there. So this isn't proof that there was life on Mars, but it is very promising. And that also means it is very promising that there could still be life on Mars now, somewhere. Another thing that backs this up is the fact that it is extremely likely that there is liquid water on Mars now. It's fact that there is ice on Mars. We can see it, there's pictures. And as you go deeper into a planet, it gets hotter, and that means the ice melts, and there very likely is liquid water on Mars, which we know is like the main thing that NASA looks for when we look for life on another planet. Unfortunately though, just because there is water on a planet, it doesn't mean there's life. Life is so complicated, it needs so many things like specific nutrients and energy sources, so just evidence of possible water on a planet doesn't mean life. Yet more evidence that life can exist in space is these virtually indestructible microbes that we know about called tardigrades. If you want to learn more about the tardigrade, go check out this video here. I also talk about worms that live in your eyes and fish that live inside anuses. It is interesting, I promise, go check it out. When you start adding up all the evidence, like microbes that can live in the conditions of space, possible, almost probable liquid water on Mars, and these new organic or ex-organic materials that they have just found, the evidence really starts to stack up that there could be life on Mars. And scientists who are far cleverer than me are genuinely excited about the possibilities that this finding has for life on Mars. So hopefully, in the next few years, we're going to find out more.